What's up guys? Today we're going to be going over how to increase your bench press with just optimizing your foot stance. So before we get started, let me know what you'd want to see next. Leave a comment below, and if you like the video, give it some support, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so we're at the bench press now, and we can start optimizing our setup. Specifically, we're starting with the feet. And the goal of this is to optimize the force distribution on each leg, so that way each leg is pushing equally and our legs aren't lopsided, so only one leg is doing the work. So first, let's see what a bad setup looks like. Seen how not to set up, so now we're going to fix the issue. What we're going to do is we're going to start at the feet, and then we're going to get the rest of the body in position afterwards. Thanks for watching my short guide on how to increase your bench press. So next time you're in the gym, give it a try and let me know down in the comments if it worked for you and how you liked it. If you want to keep seeing more guides like this, then give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below.